Alright, we're at the run mover. Start, unload everything. Which way's the current flowing, so we know which way to go. I think that way we gotta go. Maybe. We'll figure it out. Front of your kayak's just fucking flooded already. That's where the walleyes are. Yeah. I swear to God, if it doesn't stop by 2 o'clock, I'm gonna hit you with the paddle. You're just standing there, like, oh wow. And he's all just screaming at the end. What is? What's the best? No! Rangefinder. It's a fucking rangefinder. Tells you distance to places. I mean, she's pretty waterlogged. But yeah, there's... Oh, dude, Ant Cities. Ant Cities. Alright guys, this is the end of day 1. Made it like 7 or 8 miles. Swamped, yeah, it was raining all day. And right before we gave up, it stopped, so that was nice. Had to backtrack to get to camp, set it up, and now we're just getting ready for bed. About the same time tomorrow, but no rain. Tarp stayed on and everything.
I got my head in the clouds so high, feet on the ground, but I still get by. Rules were made for someone else to try, but not me, not me. They say slow down, son, take your time. But I was born running every stop sign. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight. Every doubt just feeds the flame. Every scar reminds me why I came.
Yeah, very nice.
I've been broke.
That was the first couple pad strokes feel. Yeah, that's loud.
We're back on the river!
Till now. The stars are bright, good old friends. Tell you, boy, don't stop when the sky just ends. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the
Not
limit,
even close to you. Man-child.
sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight. I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. I'm out of control tonight.
Yeah, pretty much. Split That would be camp, I'd guess. You scared, Potter? Right, dude, right by the fucking monsters. This is where the creature from the swamp gets you.
Yep. Grizzly bears have a direct running path straight to my head.
Burrito. Look at that, dude. Fucking Tunnel City.
It'll be like on Jason X when he gets to them girls that are
In the sleeping bag.
and just fucking bash.
Creamy spinach fettuccine. Crackers. Heat pack. Heat. Ooh, chocolate protein drink powder. That's what I always wanted. Peanut butter. I got the first strike bar, dude. Yes. Fuck yeah, dude. Anybody else can suck my nuts here. Look, honey mustard and onion pretzel nuggets. This is my fucking pack, dude. Hell yeah. Then look in here, we got gum, we got coffee, we got matches, everything you need. Yeah, for a kids caster, dude, this thing has distance. This video in slow motion. God damn it, you're doing that by itself. Just like we were saying, your stomach knows.